Hello from New Jersey. I'm very excited because today I'm going to be judging Miss Bharat USA. For people who don't know me, I'm the winner of Mrs. Bharat USA Elite 2022. So, yes, it's been 3 years. I won this pageant and I am so excited because life takes a whole circle. And I truly believe that beauty pageants have evolved so much. It's really not just about, looking pretty, but also the values, the strength, and the confidence in you. So I'm super excited to judge and crown new winners. And other than that, I have a little surprise for you. So keep watching. I'm going to take you through my entire day. I'm also going to insert some clips of me getting ready, what I ate for breakfast. And now I will directly see you at the venue. Bye. Alright, guys, here is almost done. And then we're going to start makeup. Stomach is grumbling, not eaten anything since morning. This is what pageant is about. But after my hair and makeup is done, I'm going to go grab a bite. And I'm Healthy Eats with Priya, so we're going to get something healthy. Right, guys, my hair and makeup is done, and before I head to the venue, I wanted to eat something. So I went to Starbucks downstairs. I got a fruit cup. I'm also having Chobani, Greek yogurt, non-fat. It's so good, it's going to keep me full because it has 80 calories, 14 grams of protein, and 0 grams of added sugar. This is the kind of food that we want to eat because you want to make sure that for any big event, you have enough protein to satiate you. And then again, I'm getting my sweetness from fruits. And yes, my Starbucks coffee. So guys, I'll eat this, get changed, head to the venue, and I'll talk to you from the venue. First of all, let me just take a bite. Alright guys, at the venue and I am excited. The show is about to begin in another 1 hour. Super excited for the contestants. We'll take you through the whole journey. Alright everyone, I'm here with Mamta. She's Miss International Diva. And what do you think about beauty pageants, Mamta?
I think they're very empowering and they bring a lot of confidence to people and opens to make doors. So I think it's very important to participate.
I agree with you. Nonetheless, right? I mean, the reality is that back in the days, beauty was only about beauty, but now beauty is with purpose. And this is for my YouTube. I have actually started a channel, Healthy Eats with Priya. And I believe that it's all about healthy eating and what is thought about, like how do you take care of your body and how do you maintain yourself? Can you tell us?
For me, I exercise a lot. I go to the gym every single day. And with food, I try to eat whole foods as much as possible because processed foods aren't good for you.
Absolutely. And that is what my channel is about, that healthy eating is not complicated. Healthy eating does not mean boring. And always opt for whole foods. And talking about food, we're so hungry right now, aren't we? We are judging and we are super excited. What do you think about that?
Oh, I'm super excited. I can't. Each and every contestant is so talented, so beautiful, so graceful. I am having a ball.
Me too. I would completely agree with you. I mean, it's so nice to see everyone. It's put so much effort in it, man.
Absolutely.
Priya Hadawadi to come on stage. Please give her a big round of applause. Good evening, everyone. Amazing. Thank you, Priya, for joining.
It's a pleasure being here after 3 years because I think life takes a full circle, and like we were discussing, that beauty is all about beauty with purpose. So it fills my heart with great happiness that I'm here to now crown the future queens.
And of course, I feel I'm sitting with my dear family, and today's a very special day. Miss Bharat USA 2025 will be crowned, and I'm standing with my
queens who are wearing their crown. You can see them on my left and my right, Priya and Mohana. So my dream queens wear their crown in their heart. That's what they are showcasing. And like Mohana just mentioned, 2025 for you, right? Of course you look like a reigning queen because see, here you are for our pageant queens who are looking forward to be part of the pageant, and starting their journey. So thank you so much, Priya, coming especially from Florida, and Mohana coming from Connecticut.
Good luck with the pageant to all the contestants, especially the photographers, videographers. Their job is the hardest, and actually, they are the reasons we're able to build this brand. So thank you to everyone that's involved, and we're looking forward to amazing events again. Thank you.
Absolutely. Miss Bharat 2025. It's going to be amazing, right? Who's excited, by the way?
We all are.
She's Mrs. Connecticut Universe Elite. She's an accomplished finance and fintech marketer for US largest bank in New York. She's a wife, a mother of two, passionate advocate for women's financial wellness, and also has empowered hundreds through corporate partnerships. As women, we are moms, we are professionals, and this is the platform that I believe we all need to truly connect not only to ourselves but also build strong communities. So thank you, Sujal.
And purpose with intention. She believes beauty is most meaningful when it carries purpose, which inspired her to create Healthy Eats with Priya, a platform promoting healthy eating and mindful living. Her mission is to inspire a lifestyle of wellness and empowered living. Oh my God, that's amazing, Priya. It's always good to know so much more about you.
Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for being here. And like we said, right, we are absolutely delighted. We're going to have today so many beautiful contestants backstage, everyone. So honestly, I am super excited for the contestants. What about you?
Oh my God, I can't wait to see their opening sequence now. So let's keep enjoying, rocking the show, and Priya is going to see you all over there.
Absolutely. I'm going to join that seat because I want to see our beautiful contestants. Thank you, everybody.
All right, thank you. Let's begin our opening.
All right, the opening round is completed and all the contestants look beautiful. I'm here dressed up in pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Walk. We come together to honor strength, resilience, and hope.
Our ladies with pink. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much, Rashmi Baby, and thank you so much, My Dream TV USA, for creating this awareness.
Alright, so I've changed into the silver gown and I'm ready to move on to the question answer round. Super excited to hear from our contestants. I was contestant number 22 when I participated. So yes,
So I feel honored definitely because this double numbers are very important to me. I'm born on 12/12, so my birthday is just coming up, and I'm 64. And when I won Miss Bharat Classic Elite Illinois, I was number 33, and now it's 22. So I hope I win something today.
good luck to you, and you're totally proving that age is just a number. So my question is, describe a moment when you surprise yourself with your strength.
Okay, there are a lot of moments, and first of all, I used to be very fearful, but I learned to be fearless, and now I'm so fearless. And courage, I've become very courageous now. Initially, I used to take I was scared of taking any steps, but now I do. And I'm standing here in front of all of you because I started believing in cause. I've started uplifting the women. also I'm an ambassador for education for children, and also empowering youth. I have a dance school and I teach dance and music, and with that I have done a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay guys, the crowning is completed and now the surprise is coming. Yes, I'm getting an award from Jugal Hansraj. Alright guys, I'm back in my hotel room after a super long day at the pageant Miss Bharat USA. Hope you enjoyed the day with me. Do leave your comments below on what you think about these kind of vlog videos in which you get to know me a little bit more and not just me making healthy recipes for you guys. And I want to end the video with a happy note that I got this award, Beauty with Purpose Healthy Eats, from Jugal Hansraj. I think we all know Jugal Hansraj. Humko hami se chura lo, Mohabbatein fame. And yeah, I truly believe that beauty has to come with purpose. So to me, wearing a beauty pageant is not just about a crown and a sash, but the purpose that you have, any platform that you associate yourself with. And for me, it is Healthy Eats, because I truly believe you are what you eat. And honestly, when you eat healthy, it manifests in your life in so many ways. It's just embracing a healthy lifestyle. And especially I'm in my 40s, so I do want to give a message out to any woman or men watching this video who are in their 40s or older or younger, doesn't matter, age is a number, that yes, you can live a healthy life. Alright guys, so this concludes the video of the day. I'll come with another fun video. Bye.